seen in some themes, not every theme, wherein when you are editing your pages through Elementor, but you're unable to edit this footer section, something just below footer or the footer section. Here I'm able to edit this entire body, entire page, but not my footer page. You might find it in customize footer, but if not, what you all have to do is, let's exit this to WordPress. If you're unable to edit through your edit with Elementor, in some themes you'll find that in edit with Elementor there will be a section which will be footer. So when I go to footer, only this section will open in Elementor and you'll be able to edit it. So this is just one single page being created in Elementor named as footer and would have this different setting. From edit with Elementor, what you have to do is just tap and check, do you have any footer section, and then you can edit it.